Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, I haven't posted anything because market been pretty volatile, so kind of wanted things to settle down a little bit before I did anything. So looking at the daily chart, nothing has changed price-wise at all. Now, I did mention once we got to this higher levels of 12 grand or so around this area, that we had to be careful in the last video because we could have a pullback, and it looks like it might have been a pullback. And look, if you guys were careful, here's your head and shoulders. We completed the head and shoulders. Now we're back to that 10,000 level. So talking about the 10,000, and this 61% retracement comes from the swing high of June 26, 2019 to the March 13th low. Let's see, yep, March 13th low of 2020. So we have the 61% retracement here. Now, we have to, guys, be very careful because this looks like we might have another pullback, and it could be nasty. So we gotta just be careful. Now, we also had the holiday weekend in the US, so that could be why the markets were pulling back, just the kind of liquidity we had. So we just have to wait and see. Now, what I'm concerned is breaking lower here, because if we was just looking at the daily chart, guys, if we break below the 61% retracement, I have no doubts that we're gonna go and hit the 200-day moving average. This red line right here is your 200-day moving average. So that puts us at about a little bit less than 9,200 bucks. So that's something to keep in mind here. Now, I've been watching this closely. If we go to the weekly chart, so let's just take this fibs from now, and then just leave the June 26th high of 2019 to the March 13th low. So here's the thing, guys. Looking on the weekly chart, this could get nasty because we also have a 20-day moving average right now we're touching. If we break below the 20-day moving average, guys, 9,000 is our next level, and more likely this 50% retracement will be nothing. So we could see a pullback even higher realistically if we this whole week. If we break lower and hold below this 20-day moving average, or just hold below the 10,054, depending on where you draw the fibs. But here's your 61% retracement. Our next target is 8,900 bucks, and more likely we're gonna pierce the 8,900 bucks. So we're gonna go down to the 38% retracement, so 77.57. Now, and we also have to be careful over there because we could see a pullback even lower to around what, 6,500 bucks. So this 23% retracement, it's officially at 6,300 bucks. So we just have to be careful. Now, if we just draw the fibs from Bitcoin's high, so December 11 of 2017 to the March 13th low, well, technically that doesn't make any sense. We gotta go back here. Yeah, so there you go. So what, December 10 of 2018? Alright, guys, so here's the thing. So depending on how we draw the fibs, if we just go from the swing high to the swing low, then we still have some room. So your 38% retracement comes in 9,500. But because we also have to be careful what levels the markets are watching. So that's the key here. So if they're watching that level, then we pierce below the 38% retracement, and we're going all the way down to the 23, which is 7,100 bucks. Also, we also have to be careful because this could look. Let me just take this off. So this could look as a we could see this could get nasty depending on where we get here. So hopefully we don't go past the 71% retracement. I'm sorry, it's 5:47 in the morning. I'm kind of a little bit not there, but hopefully we don't go below the 23% retracement of that swing, guys, because 7100, because you know we could definitely see a pullback, nasty pullback, all the way to like 4,000 to 3,000. So we just have to be careful right now with Bitcoin. So I've been watching this closely, so we just have to be very careful, depending on what level the market is watching. So let me just put this fibs back to where they were. There you go. But if the market is watching that swing, then we have to be careful, because we can see all the, a big pullback all the way back to, 6,200 or so. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.